This is Annette Sullivan from Lavender Thoughts. Thanks very much for joining me today. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to do a simple technique like this, which is just called an ink pad background. I got the idea from a recent technique challenge at Split Coast Stampers, and all you need to do is to get some ink pads and a piece of cardstock. So I'm starting off with a quarter of a sheet of cardstock, and you can use either large ink pads or the little ink spots. My card that I showed you just before has used the big ones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make one of each just to show you the different effects you can get. And for the small one, I will be using Garden Green, So Saffron and Petal Pink. Excuse me. So the idea is, I'll stop, put the other one on the end, is you just pick up your ink and you just randomly ink it on your cardstock. I'm just going to pick up the next lightest colour. And I'll pick up the green. Now you can do it on any angle. I'm just trying to get a pretty background effect, which is going to be geometric types. And I'll just go back with the saffron and fill in a few more bits. If you wanted to, you could be very precise and create a specific pattern, but my idea is to just create a random background. So this time I'm actually going to stamp off my pink because I just want some a bit lighter. It's not really going to make it much lighter, is it? Okay. So there we have our geometric background, and I will make up a card from this and I will have it on the blog. But to show you how I did it for this one here, I have just taken my quarter sheet and I have taken a centimetre off. So instead of being 10.5 across, it's only going to be 9.5. And instead of being 14.8 centimetres long, it's going to be 13.8 centimetres long. And then what I did, I cut it on the diagonal. I'll see that there. I'll cut it on the opposite diagonal this time. So that we've got the two pieces just like this. I'm just going to turn this card over so you can actually see. So then you just get your card base and you add your pieces like that and just get a sentiment and some sort of shape and put it on the top like that. Now with these two pieces that I've cut off it, if you have a look on the inside of this card, I have put the small one across the bottom there, and then the longer piece I have put on the bottom of the envelope just to give a little bit of decoration. So that's how simple it is, and you can use any colour combinations to do that technique. And you can see the difference that you get by using the large ink pads to the small ones. Okay, just to show you what the large ones look like, I've got Gorgeous Grape, Sahara Sand, and Mossy Meadow. So I'm going to start with my Sahara Sand. Now because I'm only doing a small piece of paper, if I put that straight on, it's going to take up most of the paper. So like in this particular one here, I just used part of the stamp pad on there. So I'll just stamp by doing Just do a little bit in the middle there. And then I'll put some of the gorgeous grape on. And let's do... Oops. And the gorgeous grape is very wet, so I'll just see whether or not I can just get some of that off to make it a bit lighter. It hasn't taken very much of it off. Okay, and the Mossy Meadows can probably be just as dark. So I'll try to pat it a bit lighter. And then I'll come back in again with my Sahara sand, and I might just put that straight across the middle. Now this is an old stamp pad, so it's a linen stamp pad, so over time it generally dints in the middle because that's where everybody tends to stamp. So you're not getting a full impression. Okay, so there we have another one which I will do something with and put a card on the blog. The link will be in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying my videos. Let me know if you've got any comments on this one, or if there's any particular techniques you'd like me to try for you. I'm quite happy to excuse me, to do that. Okay, I shall see you soon. Thanks a lot.